Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Magic of One Click. So today we are going to type 78th program of HTML. So let's get started. We have to first open the notepad. So we'll open it and now we'll type the program. The new thing in this program is about placeholder attribute. We'll start with doctype HTML. We'll start with HTML tag, body tag, h2 tag, the placeholder attribute, and now we'll end h2 tag. Now we'll use form tag. Input type equals to text name equals to fname, placeholder equals to enter your first name, and now we'll end br tag. Now we'll copy the same line and paste it in the next line, and we'll make necessary changes. Enter your last name, input type equals to submit, name equals to submit, value equals to submit, and now we'll end the form tag, body tag, and HTML tag. Now we'll just save it as 78 and extension HTML and in all files. So now let us check the output. HTML folder, and now we'll click on 78th program. So this is the basic output. Here if we click on first name, it will directly show us the name, that is Vikram, and last name Bhatt. And if we click on submit, it will resets. So this is the basic output of how to use placeholder attribute, and it specifies a short hint that describes the expected value of input field. And don't forget to check the text in description.